Hey everybody, okay, Mr. Fritz here. Let's try this practice problem here. We want to write an equation for the given graph right over here. So what we're going to do is our goal is to get things in the y equals mx plus b form. And recall that our m represents our slope of the equation and our b represents the y-intercept. So these two things we can readily find from this graph. Shouldn't be too hard, nothing too crazy. So let's start off with probably the easiest bit of information. That's our y-intercept. Remember, that's where our line is going to cross through the y-axis. Bonus, the x-coordinate will always be 0. Let me try writing that again. X equals 0. Whenever you cross the y-axis, your x-coordinate will be 0. So if you're ever not sure about how to find that y-intercept, or if you can't pull that exact point from the graph, just try plugging in 0 for x and see what you get there. Anyways, this one looks like I can easily spot my b, my y-intercept. So my b is going to equal -1. All right, we're going to grab that in just a minute, but next let's calculate the slope. So let's see if I can erase that. Okay, good. Next, let's take a look at the slope. So slope, remember, is your change in y over your change in x. And there's a couple different ways that you can calculate what that is, but for the purposes of checking out the graph, I like counting. So we're going to want our rise over run. And let's take a look at this graph here. So I'm going to start at this point and I'm going to go to this point. So I've got 1, 2 is my rise, and my run is 1, 2, 3. So that means that my slope, my m, is going to equal 2 over 3. I went up 2 and to the right 3. Those are both positive movements, so this is going to be a positive 2 over 3. Put it all together and you're going to get a graph, or rather an equation. Y equals 2/3 x minus 1. And there you have it.